there is my order for big scoops. Delicious Whiskas ice cream, Maryland Delight. Oh, I'll use Pop-Out, Maryland Delights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, did I hear my PayPal password? PayPal password.
No.
Yes, I did. You can't be using my money on big scoops.
But you had a 1,000.
I was going to spend that to buy a house one day. You can't just take my money. Where's my phone?
There it is.
I'm canceling it.
Sorry, you already paid. So you don't get your money back.
I don't care if I don't get my money back. I'm canceling it. Cancel.
3, 2, 1, stop.
No.
Wait,
Why did you have to do that to me? I was saving up for a house one day.
but that's more than enough for a house.
No, a house is like 100,000 pounds.
Oh, I didn't know that. I guess every day is a school day. Flip.
Tight. Wait, hold it up. Don't worry. Hey, I hate you. I'm leaving. Go, Marilyn.
I hate you, Marilyn. And, well, I guess I'll practice my karate then. Hi-ya! Yeah. Yeah. Hi-ya! Yeah. Yeah. Well, I guess it's time to try it out on someone, and that someone's Marilyn. That someone's Marilyn.
Marilyn. All right, Marilyn.
So, Mom, Marilyn.
Take tears. Can't actually hurt Marilyn though. That's her. She's probably hurting me. Sorry. We won't do that today. That's just Angel. Not sure why. Say hi. We're not gonna hurt you, okay? Angel, where's my PayPal? I want to buy some ice cream from PayPal. I want to buy some ice cream from Big Scoops.
What about cat scoops? It's much cheaper.
Fine, cat scoops. Give me my PayPal phone.
Your regular phone.
Ah, fine.
Which is your
Now, let's get some ice cream.
What flavor would you like? Vanilla? Chocolate?
Sorry, I already answered and I already paid. Sorry, you're not getting any ice cream. Just my ice cream.
You used my account?
No, I used Maryland Delight.
No, you used Angel Delight.
No, I used Maryland Delight. You're so unfair. Do you think that's what fell? No.
Wait, why is there a camera?
I'm gonna go get my dinner. I'll be back in a sec. Want your dinner? Do you want your dinner? Do you not want your dinner?
And bye guys. I love you all. Mwah. Love y'all. Mwah. Bye. Hi guys. Hope you love this video. Please like and subscribe. Please. Please like and subscribe. And this is my friend Oona. We should be coming in
meeting at Maryland.
a Maryland.
Yeah, I am. Hi. Maryland. Eat. No, you need to eat.
All four of us hope that you love this video and you like and subscribe. Okay, bye.